ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong
ka Amita sangma ka perlok jong ka kong Agnes Karshiyeng kabalamat ye ki jingmen sao ha ka por baki sha Thombor ha ka pratrik buna naiwing arajar khat pra ha Sohshrieh ha ka por baki lalai ban shondur ye ki trok ki doyong kala Kynnoh bo menteri rangba ka jelau Conrad konggal sangma uong yaka bakadai ban Sngap jar Halor katai ke Jingshah bat kala kamba menteri rangba Phah Sngap jar yaka ha ka por bo uwan ban pej hajaka sumar ha negrims kani kalong kami kala Kynnoh bagi breu jong ke NPP ki don kti ha katai ke Jingshah bat kala kam baka yoi tingkren ru ba uba nidaman chulat u breu jong ke NPP u don lang ha katai ke Jingshah kala penpa bakala du jingkermen ban yo ya ke Jingshah ka bahok Halor katai ke Jingshah ya ka bat ka jingdo jingkermen jongka kadai hadin baka yoi ba uba nidaman chulat ulalat ban no senyang arlak tengka sa menteri rangba ha kapor ka jing yakun COVID-19 Shishu kalong bahakatai kapor ka sarkar kala kular ban thau da ka Kynnoh tokit ka balai luit hanrei kampoi pat shano wala menta kala jandap laisnem ka Jingshah
Penai banwan pratarik dan sadap pura laisnem te nadu menta kene ka kes umdan e te ngatarai ngimnum yo justice balai udan kuti Conrad sangma namar ba ubreu jong uhi ki bom ki tiet yangi yanga bat kong Agnes ki tiet yangi ubreu jong uni damon sulat utet yangi utu dai prime accused udan hang toi te Conrad sangma utip ba kat nungut ki dan kuti ba bom yangi breu jong te balai yathu kat nungut ki dan breu jong dan kuti ban bom yangi te kawai runga kwa ban ong kapor ba jayangi wan pet yanga hapo hospital nigrem te ngakwa ban yathu yu ke ba jayangi mo te ngatarai udai chief minister jongi barok kawai ka state kadai chief minister jongi kento te ngatarai dengan yathu chief minister barok dengan yo jingirap ken te uang penman yanga wat yathu Sngap jar te nga hang tangan Sngap jar no ken ngam nut su ban yathu te hadin kata ngalak perkhat ken bali uang Sngap jar te ngahap yathu em ke bajai yangi te ngi hap yathu ken mo katu ni la sa so te hadin pat ngai ngalai yo ba kapur covid am wan ai pisa arlak ni damon wan ai check te hang to ngalak suthu ba ngimnum yo justice lanoru namar ba kene ke Jingshah yang ni kadai ka NPP party mo don ti baro NPP party namar ba Conrad sang mau tip ba ubri jong baso ini te ngakwa ban ong baro ki bri ki dai ban perkhat namar ba Conrad sang ma klemburom ya bentai ma uru don la ka kemei don la ka para don la ka lok don la ka kun klemburom na kata kadau klem kuat ban le ru em kene ka sipang ka Jingshah jongi te mensua kapor bajai yangi kila de ngin ai independent inquiry ke ngin ai kita barok khot la ong te mentapat kila ya Sngap jar kim don ong su ru na kata kada ngatarai kene ka sarkar bomlong dine ka sarkar kadai nong penyak breu ngatengan nut ban ong balai la jaya nga namar basiem ruwan ong yanga wat ju yathu Sngap jar tengah Sngap no ha newspaper ong ba covid relief fund te kata kamu utip bahakin chief minister mano bedan keti te chief minister udai ngan ong no kriminal namar ya saya kriminal te mo ma uru dai kriminal lang ken namar be uya saya nong penyap breu nong so breu te ma uru dan keti lang ken tawa baik ban sa pen sistem namar ba tang ba kat badang don kena ke NPP government kimnum pen sistem balai kila ngop hapisa la ngop hapisa kimnum le breu la jong la da sa pen yap ru un pek umnum Sngap re te ngim yo kata ka Jingirap ngiyo tang medical lai na kata ngim don Jingirap re don ba pon hirum don ba pek hiru te kum kini ka breu kimnum yarap hiru ngam khami lenti hiru namar bakat badang la ngin tre ngin ta hi te menta nga ki kun jonga ki lit bala ki don balit bala te nga yo pension kendit ngiim dah tu. Tu namar ba kena kakti jungi la deko teng kabor met jungi long su ban treitan ireng la su ban. Leng jong ate dawa makna rong athara ngam dan jing mentoi irem. Namar ba ngala tip sai ba tayo bri jok usuda. Namar ba le yo bri la jong. Le ai. Namar la long kito kilong kum siyeng sisem mo. Te kum perkat menta siyeng sisem kalok ki kun la dale kum no ru sayarap ya kitu hi bale bas new. Namar ba Conrad sang mate layo na coal truck mentaro dang yeti kol yu doyong kidang yeti te ngila tip sai namar ba kiyo pisa doyong na katakadaw kimnem le em na uber briu la jong sudah te had ngin yapet hadin menta tangim ngin wat lat kum no menta dang don ko kot dang pending lem yat em menta la jantab la sini don ba inform yang menen step handai baji ngadang wan jeseng de kidon ba phone yang akiong ba kidon hapo wa snai kiong don ka wai ka kultra ndang ala le ngai artli lai tli don ka wai la phet te artli ni la phabat yaki pulit mo ni la phabat yaki pulit tengi rungi yu iken ka to ka dai kultra la sarang lut madan rungi la pai te ngi la pai ba ba dai tang ba ni la inform ni pulit la le satu te jan miet rungi dang le kat ne po rungi dang le satu dang don te ki dang don ki trok pulit ki ongin ap te hadin pat step nga yo kubor ba kitu ki full trok la missing don su te ngalongo gen kumno ki pet kumno ki missing mo nang tu habang ila tray si tom kato ngibut din te kumno ki ja ngalongo kato ko full trok.
Actually, we got information about this acid. Acid was dripping into the ground in one area in Sngap in Lightcore. So we informed the police, and the police has deputed the police there to go and check, and they have. And the drivers have fled from there, and so later we went again there to check because we had taken photographs from Phah. So later when we know the police are there, so we went there evening time and saw the police. They were waiting, and we also met the OC, and they had been asking for the crane to pull the trucks, and that also is a thing because I don't know how the police works. They should, when the police station they want certain things which are immediate, they should ensure that these cranes should be provided immediately so that they can work also, no? The ones who want to work really dedicated. And so look, today we got information that the trucks have been missing now. So in the meantime also yesterday evening after we met the police station, the Madam Rating OC, we got a call. But since my mobile was not, the network was not good, then later I get information from Amita that same number had called her also, and they put it was like immediately they say that I know your son. So that sort of, it's like a threat, you know, that I know your son, like, and then tries to want to go to her house, but she said no. And now the trucks are missing, so we have filed an FIR, given that phone number that has called us, so that they try to investigate. We got information it belongs to one Nick Nongklau. The police will try to find out. And also very strange that, you know, when we we got used to this, how to know the coal and the cement. So while hitting the trucks on the sides, in between there is a gap. It is not coal. So these coal trucks, I would say, they are carrying many illegal things, especially could be drugs also. When they don't act according to the correct law, definitely it is influence from those in power. If people sitting on top, if they are seriously in their work, they will definitely, but sometimes it becomes a handicap for police stations also to work. Their strength, if they have a capacity of, like in Madan Rating, we found out yesterday that their strength is 32, but they have only 23 of the ABCs or UBCs. So it is a drawback for them. Even other police stations also, they need more strength and they need more cars. And why give expensive cars to these people who are sitting in the secretariat? Provide it to the police stations so that they can also work dedicatedly.